Imagine kicking back in a completely private suite at 35,000 feet, shutting the sliding doors, and effortlessly nursing your baby on a plush bed with zero stress and zero awkward side-eye from seat neighbors. If you are planning an epic international vacation and wondering if spending your hard-earned miles on Singapore Airlines first-class suites is worth it for you and your baby, you are in the right place. Today, we are spilling the tea on whether the world's most legendary Sky Suite is actually the ultimate game-changer for breastfeeding mamas, or just overhyped luxury. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to hub for mixing high-end travel with real-talk motherhood. Grab your iced matcha, mama, because we are diving right in. Let's start with the absolute star of the show, which is privacy. When you are nursing or pumping every few hours, personal space is everything. Standard long-haul seats can feel tight, making you constantly worry about dropping pump parts or flashing strangers when your nursing cover slips. Singapore Airlines A380 suites completely eliminate that anxiety. You get a fully enclosed private cabin with a rear swivel chair, a separate lie-flat bed, and actual sliding doors. If you are traveling with your partner, two suites can even combine into a giant double bed setup where you can comfortably lounge and nurse without feeling squished. Being able to change into comfortable pajamas, set up your nursing pillow, and pump in total seclusion is the definition of bougie, and it keeps your stress low so your milk supply stays strong. Now, let's talk about the logistics of pumping and gear in the Sky. Navigating TSA with your luxury stroller and milk cooler at the airport is hard enough, so once you board, you need things to be completely seamless. Keeping up your ounces on a 14-hour flight requires real power and support. In these suites, you have universal power outlets right at your fingertips, so plugging in your heavy-duty pump or charging wearable devices is a breeze. The flight attendants are famously attentive and will happily bring you endless bottled water to stay hydrated, or assist with providing fresh ice for your travel chiller. Plus, the first-class lavatory is massive. You actually have room to change diapers, sanitize equipment, and organize your designer bag without squeezing into a tiny closet. Finally, how do you pull this off without blowing your budget? Flying long-haul with an infant can be exhausting, but turning a grueling flight into a restful retreat is priceless. You do not need to drop $20,000 in cash to fly like this. You can easily transfer reward points from major credit cards straight into KrisFlyer miles. Adding an infant lap passenger usually costs a small fraction of the fare, making this bucket list luxury surprisingly doable. Singapore Airlines first-class suites are hands down a dream for breastfeeding moms. If you love these luxury travel hacks, hit that subscribe button right now, thumbs up this video, and comment below with your dream family vacation destination. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and safe travels, mamas.